Volumes of prisms and cylinders, lesson 12.4. We're going to talk about the height of a prism or cylinder. We're going to change this little h to be a capital H, so we understand it's the height of the cylinder and not the height that we use to calculate the base. So our formula here is volume equals base times height, and that's the same for both the prism and the cylinder. You replace the big B with whatever area formula you need. For example, for the cylinder, it'd be pi r squared. For a squared or a rectangle, it'd be base times height. If it's a trapezoid, you use that formula. We can still calculate the area of a cylinder or a prism, even if it's oblique, even if it's leaning. For our first example problem, the base is going to be the triangle. So to calculate the area of the base, it'd be 1/2 times the base of the triangle, which is 10, times the height of the triangle, which is 12. So the base is 60 centimeters squared. Now to calculate the volume is base times the height of the cylinder, of the prism. So volume equals 60 times 25, which is the height. So volume is 1,500 centimeters cubed. For the second example, we have a cylinder, so the base is a circle. So to calculate the base, it'd be pi r squared, so pi 1.8 squared. So we have that the base, that's our formula for the base. The height is 1.8. So the volume is pi r squared for the base times the height. So volume is pi 1.8 squared times 1.8. And our volume is 18.3 centimeters cubed. For our last example here, we have an oblique cylinder. The height of the cylinder we're going to have is 25. Our base is pi 15 squared because we're only going to use the radius portion here. Volume equals pi 15 squared for the base times 25. And that gives us that the volume is 17671.5 feet cubed. And that ends lesson 12.4.